Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today we are doing this smoky, vampy makeup look, and if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. So we're starting off by priming the eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Fawn. And then we're going in with the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette using the brown color to diffuse above the crease. Then we're taking this mustard yellow color to diffuse the brown color into the brow bone. Next we're taking these two darker browns to add to the crease. I'm sorry if y'all hear people in the background. People are like walking in and out of the room. But we're just diffusing those brown colors into the crease and then taking the 39A Dare to Create palette from Morphe as well, using that black color to pack on the lid. It's okay if you get a little bit messy with this part because we are going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. So here I'm just going back in with some of those browns to really blend the gradient. And then here we're taking that makeup wipe and cleaning up the edge of the eye. Next we're using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is in Trooper, and we're just lining the lash line. Then I'm applying my Icon lashes. This is in the style Taylor. Super cute lash. And now onto the face, we're using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then we're using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I'm mixing Toffee Caramel and Coconut. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in Butterscotch. I love this concealer. We're going to go ahead and contour with the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, and this is in Truffle. We're going to blend out that contour first and then blend out the concealer. To set this all in place, we're using the Sacha Buttercup Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just putting this on top of the concealer. And y'all know I am heavy-handed when it comes to the setting powder. I love to bake and cake it up. Next, I'm using the Morphe Bronzer, and this is in Showmance, and this is just really going to give me a snatched contour. Then usually to soften this up, I'll use my Black Radiance Bronze Glow. I'll use this bronzer, and it just warms up the face and softens up that contour. Next, I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I usually use this to dust off all of that excess setting powder. Next, we're going to take those same brown colors that we used in the crease under the eye.
Next, we're using the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm using both of the purple colors on my inner tear duct. And then I also used one of the silver colors as well. To switch it up, I decided to use those purple glittery colors as my highlight.
Alright guys, so all I did was add some Sublime and Midnight Bolt, which is the two purple colors in this Galaxy palette, on my cheekbones. So as I used that as a highlight, I also used it on my nose and in my inner tear duct. And then I also layered this Milky Way on top of it in my tear duct. On top of the highlight, I added some of this Milani Strobe Light highlighter, and this is in Day Glow. I just added a little bit on top of that. That's pretty much all I did. I'm not sure if I had Uninvited, I would definitely rock that lip color with this, but mine, I haven't ordered it yet, so. But I'm thinking maybe like a nice nude, so like maybe my go-to nude, which is Chestnut, or is Choker by Tarte, this creamy matte lip paint. I think it'll look cute with it. Yes. Yes, I think this color looks great with it. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And this is like a matte setting spray. And I love it because it mists so nice. And then you can also, if you want that highlight, to pop just a little bit more, you can take the Make It Dewy and just do, you know, one spritz on each side, and we are looking wet. Okay, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much this makeup look. I'm gonna take my hair down and show y'all how it comes together. And we're back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first time doing a dark, vampy, smoky eye on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this makeup look, drop a black heart in the comment section below. Make sure you're liking, giving this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's free. Just go ahead, click it, sis. Click it, big bruh. Click it. It's free. Look, it wasn't even that hard. Now you subscribe. Now once you do that, you want to hit that bell so you can get notified every time I upload and be a part of the notification squad, okay? Okay. Now once you're done with all of that, never forget, guys, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye, guys.